What if I told you that just 20 minutes in nature could lower your stress hormones by over 20%? That a simple walk among the trees can boost your immune system, restore your mood, and even heal your soul? Welcome to Mindful Wanderer. Today, we'll journey into the heart of nature's healing power and discover how these wild places can transform your mind, body, and spirit. Most of us spend our days indoors, surrounded by screens and artificial light. We rush from task to task, rarely pausing to breathe, let alone connect with the world outside. Anxiety, stress, and burnout have become the norm. But what if the antidote is simpler than we think? What if the healing we crave is waiting just beyond our doors, in the embrace of the natural world? Scientists have long studied the profound effects of nature on our well-being. In Japan, the practice of forest bathing, or Shinrin-yoku, has been shown to reduce stress hormones, lower blood pressure, and enhance immune function. When we breathe in the forest air, we absorb phytoncides, natural oils released by trees. These compounds boost our natural killer cells, fortifying our bodies against illness. Research from Dr. Ching Li at Nippon Medical School found that a single day spent in the woods can elevate immune function for an entire month. Meanwhile, a study in the International Journal of Environmental Research and Public Health revealed that just 20 minutes in a park can reduce cortisol, the primary stress hormone, by up to 21%. But the healing doesn't stop at the physical. Nature also calms our minds, soothes our emotions, and reconnects us with a sense of meaning and wonder. Our brains are wired to respond to nature. When we step outside, our nervous system shifts from fight or flight to rest and restore. The amygdala, our brain's alarm center, quiets down. Our prefrontal cortex, the seat of focus and creativity, lights up. Regular time in natural spaces rewires our stress response, making us more resilient and balanced. This isn't just about feeling good for a moment. It's about changing the very way we experience life, building a foundation of calm and clarity that carries us through every challenge. A few years ago, I was overwhelmed, caught in a cycle of anxiety and exhaustion from city living. I tried every remedy, but true relief came when I began spending intentional time in nature. I'd sit quietly by rivers, walk slowly through the woods, and watch the sunrise from quiet hilltops. Over time, my sleep deepened. My mind grew quieter. I felt a sense of belonging, to the earth, to myself, that I'd never known before. Nature didn't just heal my stress. It helped me rediscover who I truly am. You don't need a remote wilderness to access nature's gifts. Here are a few simple practices you can try wherever you are. Forest bathing. Find a green space, a park, a garden, a grove of trees. Leave your phone behind. Walk slowly, breathe deeply, and let your senses guide you. Touch the bark, listen to the birds, notice the play of light and shadow. Allow yourself to simply be. Grounding. Take off your shoes and stand barefoot on grass, soil, or sand. Feel the earth beneath your feet. Research shows that direct contact with the earth can reduce inflammation and improve sleep. Spend 10 minutes just absorbing the energy of the ground. Nature meditation. Sit comfortably outdoors. Close your eyes and listen. Let the sounds of wind, water, or birds become your meditation anchor. Each sound draws you deeper into presence, melting away tension and thought. Mindful walking. Walk slowly and deliberately. With each step, notice the sensation of your feet, the rhythm of your breath, the world unfolding around you. This isn't a journey to a destination. It's an invitation to be fully here, right now. Nature's healing power goes beyond body and mind. It touches the soul. In wild places, we remember that we are part of something vast and interconnected. Our worries shrink in the face of ancient trees and endless skies. We sense the rhythms of life, death, and renewal that shape all existence. Indigenous wisdom teaches that healing comes from relationship with the land, the elements, the cycles of nature. Science is now confirming what tradition has always known. We are not separate from the earth, but woven into its very fabric. Let's take a moment together. Close your eyes if you wish, or soften your gaze. Take a deep, gentle breath in, and slowly release. Imagine yourself in your favorite natural place, a forest, a beach, a quiet meadow. Notice the colors, the sounds, the feeling of the air on your skin. With each breath, feel yourself connecting to the peace and strength of this place. Let the sounds of nature wash over you, soothing your mind, grounding your body. Know that this calm, this connection is always within reach, wherever you are. Here's a gentle challenge. For the next 7 days, spend at least 10 minutes in nature each day. It could be as simple as sitting beneath a tree, walking barefoot in your yard, tending a garden, or exploring a local park. Leave your devices behind. Be fully present. Notice how you feel.